What a beautiful and amazing spec on this car. It really is a one-off, previously supplied by ourselves. A gentleman that originally had it, we've known him for many years, and bought quite a few cars off him. Bought it off him and then we sold it about 4 years ago. It is beautiful all the way around. Absolutely gorgeous example. Totally cherished. It's the Audi Q5 2-litre TDI SE Quattro automatic. Monsoon grey metallic. It has got thousands of pounds worth of factory fitted options. Just check out the list. It is endless. Trying to remember it would be impossible. It's a 2012 on a 62 plate with full documented service history, including the all-important cam belt change as well. Superb to drive, 175 brake horsepower, of course quattro 4-wheel drive. Just gleaming away. It's got rear parking sensors, electric tailgate. Let's show you around it. Load cover to protect the inside. All the loading area nice and clean, no damage on there at all. Beautifully clean inside. 3-load facility, split folding rear seats. It's also got the bench seat, which was an option when it was new. Loads of storage under there. Also the collapsible spare wheel, which again was an option on the vehicle. It's got a factory fitted tow bar. So easy, so quick. Just take the cover from under the rear bumper, pull that lever, and hey presto, just pops out. Hooks into place. Pushes back. So easy. And just pop the cover back on again. The tow bar was originally just used for a small trailer by the first owner. The second owner has not towed with it at all. Nice out of the way, nobody knows it's there. And of course the easy closure with the electric tailgate. The bodywork is beautiful all the way around. There's no major dents, scratches, scuffs or dings around it. You have to remember it's a 2012 car. It'll have the odd one or two stone chip on it, but generally it is absolutely beautiful all the way around. Just look at it. All the wheels in great condition. No major chunks been knocked out of those. 3 recently fitted tyres on it. All 4 are in very good condition. Done less than 1,000 miles. Front fog lights, front parking sensors, front headlight power washers. It's got the upgraded headlights as well. Again, a close-up to show you how nice the car is. 2012. Look at that, the bonnet, lovely and clean. No major chips across there either. Chrome roof rails, just set it off. It's also got keyless entry, keyless go. Beautiful wood effect. It does look gorgeous on the car. Leather armrests, again, which is an option. Plenty of storage in the door pockets. Again, all the trims in great condition. Lots of legroom in there. It's got the upgraded leather as well, the perforated comfort leather, with the optional bench seat. Just look at the attention to detail. Again, the upholstery in great condition, non-smoker's car, No nasty smells, no pets in there. And you can adjust the seat individually, slide that forward or just drop the back down. Just flex back a bit. So the advanced key, as long as the key's in your pocket, press the button, locks the car, pull the door handle and you're in. Again, all the trim, great condition. Electric seats with memory seats, folding mirrors. Electric lumbar support as well as electric seats. Again, just look at the upholstery, all in great condition. No damage, no wear. Front centre armrest. Again, all the trims, all in great condition. Upgraded stereo, Bang & Olufsen. A multifunction leather steering wheel, which was an option. Just can't quite catch the Bang & Olufsen on there, but it is there, I assure you. Great sound system on it. So the keyless start. Mileage of 82,291. 82,291. Full service history, as I mentioned, including the cam belt change.
Warms the rising sun. It kisses everyone.
Just sounds beautiful on the sound system. Of course, DAB radio, CD, rear parking sensors, illuminates on the dashboard, upgraded satellite navigation, of course you've got media input, Bluetooth phone connection, all nice and clear, multimedia CD player, SD cards, dual zone climate control with heated front seats. And again, just showing the dashboard how clear it is to get individual climate control just perfect. Everything controlled from there, all the satellite navigation, the phone system, the car setup, all nice and easy, nice and clear. Of course, again on the dashboard just shows you stations, satellite navigations, the Bluetooth connections, all in front of your screen as well. The 4-spoke multi steering wheel with a paddle shift gear change, cruise control, just a gorgeous example. I don't believe there's another one in the country to this specification for sale. Beautiful condition, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Grey finance always available direct from ourselves. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. So if you fancy at 2 o'clock in the morning, click and reserve it. Ask about a click and collect, or ask about home delivery. If you want to know any further information, we're always at the end of the phone. 01782 822 700. If you want a more personalised video, we're more than happy to send you any personalised videos of any close-ups that you wish to see of the vehicle. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist Cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. We make buying and selling cars a simple, easy, hassle-free process. Full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Your one-stop shop. So there we have it, our beautiful and very, very rare, very high spec Audi Q5 Quattro SE Tiptronic with thousands and thousands of pounds worth of factory fitted options. The phone number if you want it is 01782 822 700. We'll look forward to hearing from you. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.